Welcome to another Jacob Waters production. In 3, 2, 1. What's up guys, Joe is back here with another video. This actually happened really abruptly because I was not meaning for this to happen at all. I kind of just went to class and now I'm outside waiting for a military helicopter to arrive. So I'm gonna get some interviews and I hope you guys enjoy. So yeah, peace.
Hey, you guys in the back!
Can everybody see and hear me? Yeah. Hey, well, thanks for having us here. I'm glad that the weather worked out for us. Sorry we're a little bit late. We had to do a bunch of maintenance on this aircraft before bringing it up. My name is Lieutenant Commander Mike Whiteman. I'm 38 years old, originally from Long Valley, New Jersey. It's near like Chester or Hackettstown, if anybody's heard of that. Married, I got a 3-year-old boy and I got another one on the way. I live down near Atlantic City now. Been in the Coast Guard for 18 and a half years. I've been stationed in New Jersey 3 times, New York City, where I did counterterrorism, in Miami Beach 3 times, actually twice. I did counter narcotics, I did tactical law enforcement, and then I was a pilot there doing search and rescue, anti-immigration, and counter narcotics. Now I'm back in Atlantic City, and I'm the Assistant Operations Officer. We have the largest dual mission, this type of helicopter, H-65 unit in the Coast Guard, where we do search and rescue. That's our primary mission, as well as rotary wing air intercept. So we're kind of like the police officers that enforce restricted airspace. When the president, for example, goes anywhere in the country, he gets a 30-mile ring of protected airspace. So us, in conjunction with fighter jets from the Air Force, protect the airspace. If you're in a Cessna, a small aircraft, and you happen to wander into that area, this aircraft will be outfitted with police lights, a digital signboard to communicate. We'll basically come alongside with police lights to try and pull the plane over, get their attention and get them to get away from the protected asset as quickly as possible to prevent the Air Force from having to do their job.
Hey, how y'all doing? I'm Colby. I'm an AMT, Aviation Maintenance Technician. Whenever I'm not flying, I'm back at the hangar deck, and I'm the one that's making these things fly. So working on the engines, just everything you see, I work on. Whenever I'm not in the helicopter, I'm the flight mech. So I sit in this seat. I'm the one doing the rescues, being the rescue swimmer who sits back here in this window. He'll either jump out or I'll lower him down on the hoist. We'll pick the people up in baskets. We have litters, all types of stuff that we use. I've been in for almost 13 years. First time being stationed in New Jersey, but I've been in New Jersey, Virginia, North Carolina, Texas. I just came from Texas. Y'all's weather is a lot better here than Texas. It's like 120 degrees over there probably today. It's really hot. But yeah, this is a awesome aircraft to fly in. It's a lot of fun, and doing all the missions that the Lieutenant Commander just said is fun. So anywhere the President goes, we follow him. So it's pretty sweet doing the missions here.
Cool. Good morning, guys. Lieutenant Junior Grade Matt Devlin, 26 years old, from New Jersey as well. I'm from Ringwood. It's kind of like northwest corner, if you guys ever heard of West Milford and that type area. This is my first active duty unit out of the Coast Guard Academy. I went to the Coast Guard Academy out of high school here. Went straight down to flight school in Pensacola, Florida, and I've been up here for about a year. So new to the mission, co-pilot today, but it's an awesome job. So if you guys have any kind of questions, feel free to ask after.
That was his landing on the way in. He did a pretty good job, right?
Did you fly it up?
Mhm.
the
What was-
humanitarian effort.
What was the hardest thing you've ever done?
The hardest thing, I mean, just learning how to work on these things, how to do our jobs.
Yeah.
Probably it's tough. Yeah.
Was there any sad memories over the years?
Yeah, I mean, you can't bring everybody home.
Mhm.
You know, we do our best, us with our partners, the police departments and fire departments. We try our best, but not everybody can make it home, and a lot of it is out of our control.
Well, thanks you guys for coming on today.
Yeah, thanks for having
Yeah,
us.
Thanks for having
yeah,
us.
man.
Appreciate
Good morning, everyone. This is Patricia Cartier, principal of Middletown High School North. High School North is the main place to be because there's always many amazing new experiences. Today we had the helicopter, Coast Guard coming in from Atlantic City, and later this morning we're going to have a recognition day for the class of 2021 to celebrate their post-secondary plans with food, photos, and music to raise the North spirits. Hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.
Thank you guys so much for watching the video. Please like, comment, subscribe. See you guys in the next one. Peace.